No. Wow. Stuff is... Look at this glue. It's terrible. What the heck? How are you supposed to get this thing to open it? Oh, there. Finally. Got it. Okay. There we go. So we got it. Wait, is Prowl like riding Optimus? He is. Okay. That's cool. We're gonna need that. For the fun part. Why am I like nervous? And who we got? Who we got? Who we got? We got, oh, I think we've got, okay, we have, we have Scavenger vehicle. Is this a sticker? Okay, well, all right, now I gotta figure out how to put this thing together. Right there, we need, oh, I was just about to say, where's his head? Duh, it's the vehicle mode. Truck. Oh, here we go. Here's the little right here. So, oh wait, I think I got the wrong piece. Here we go. Got the head there. Got the little bucket piece. Okay, they snap together kind of hard. So, hey, but if they snap together hard like that, it'll probably stay. Get in there. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it ain't gonna come hard. There we go. All right. There we go. Ooh, bucket works. That's pretty cool. That's actually in there quite nice and tight. So it's, yeah, it's not gonna like fall apart or anything like that. Okay, and now we need the body part, I think. Oh, wait. Oh, that's step one. Okay, so here's step one. Now we need that part and then this. So those two right there. That apparently just snaps into here. Make sure that that's all in there good. Wiggle it in there. There we go. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, that has a little groove in it with a little snap. So the thing is, okay, there we go. Okay, it's not a, oh. What? Okay. Oh, I don't think I had it all the way in. Alright, and we're gonna put the bucket arm onto here. Right here. So, put him onto there. Again, they slide in quick. Oh, that one went in quite nice. So there we go. We've got movement there, we've got movement here, and then we've got movement on the bucket. Set that one aside. Oh, we're gonna do the treads, so we need bolt treads. Oop, this one's rolling away. Oh, no, excuse me. We need this one. Okay, excuse me. Okay, this one, along with this little doohickey here. So, and then that just goes into that hole. There we go. Oh, I guess that does move pretty freely. I must have not had it in there correctly before. Now we go on to step 5. So we're going to need this part, not those, and then these two little pieces that are rolling away. Okay, and then they simply snap into the little grooves. Now we take these pieces, and if it goes like, okay, if this is at the top, you're gonna want to make sure that the silver faces out. This. Ouch. They snap on, they're good. It's not gonna come apart. There we go. I don't know if there's a front or back to, oh no, this is the front. This is the front. The little, I guess like a little hook thing on the back, like something else can go in there. That's cool. Anyway, that's the front. Now you're gonna want to take this. I'm gonna stick that out a little bit, and that just goes together like that. And we have Scavenger.